Hi, hey Russ here. Welcome back to the shop. Today, I want to talk about the art of seatology. 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 It's the art of sitting. In my shop, I practice seatology. And I do that on 3 different levels because I have many different levels of working in my shop, as you know from my video 2 videos ago. So in my method, I use, let me show you. When I'm down by the floor, working down at that level, no. You never put your patoot on the floor. First off, it'll get kind of dirty down there, especially in this floor. But more than that, it's damn hard to get back up off that floor. So you'll learn about that as you get older. So if I'm going to sit on this floor, I turn to old dependable. My little step stool. This is a little folding step stool that I picked up off the side of the road. It says safety first step stool. They actually still sell this thing. It's a great little sturdy little stool. Anyway, and it folds up nicely out of my way when I'm not using it. That's my go-to when I'm down low. On my normal heights, like the top of my table saw height or my bench top height, if I'm working at that height on something, then my go-to, and it's my most used one, is this older desk chair that I picked up a long time ago, and I finally found its way to my shop. I took the arms off. It's nice because it swivels. The telescope still works. And for the feet, rather than having 5 wheels on it, I put 3 TriCasters on it and used the circle, made the footprint a little bigger for the wheel, so the base is actually pretty sturdy. It doesn't rock on the floor at all. And on this floor, for this thing to roll around without getting jammed up, it's remarkable, but it doesn't. It just rolls right over everything here. So, and this is my go-to here at the regular level. For my 3rd level, for things like at my mini workbench, which is at 46 inches, or my sander at 47 inches, then I go to my bar stool. And if you know your seatology at all, you'll know that that is for higher elevations. I put wheels on it to help raise it up to get it close to those heights. And I also have a couple of cushions I can put on there that help boost me up a little higher if need be. But when I'm standing at any of those pieces of equipment and I decide to practice the art of seatology, then that's my go-to apparatus right there. So, I guess now you know the art of seatology can actually be practiced right in the workshop. You just have to think about it and set it up. Or maybe you already use seatology. If you do, leave comments below. Do your own video explaining your seatology. I do want to thank you for stopping by. If you like this video, please say so. Most importantly, though, please come back again because we're nowhere near done. Thanks, and we'll see you again very soon.